Team coverage continues now on the Helene recovery efforts here in the Carolinas. 7 News' Taylor Farmer rode along with the North Carolina Department of Transportation as crews continue to assess the damage that was caused by the storm in western North Carolina.
A mass rebuild is underway for North Carolinians who call this place, destroyed by Hurricane Helene, home.
I've never been scared of the river, and I was scared that day.
Workers have come to the area from all over the country as thousands have game planned how and where work can begin.
Miles of primary routes that were completely decimated and gone and unpassable.
We rode along with NCDOT to places in western North Carolina that are unrecognizable.
Will this area ever look the same?
It will, not in my lifetime.
Tremendous amounts of area still covered with downed trees, downed power lines, roads that have fallen apart, and houses flipped upside down. The North Carolina Department of Transportation says Hurricane Helene was an unprecedented storm for the state, telling us major pieces of infrastructure have been completely wiped away.
And we're building a road in there to them so they can get access to their homes. But it's not a permanent fix, if that makes sense. It's just an access.
Officials say communities have been trapped with no way in and no way out. For folks here in Henderson County, getting supplies across the Rocky Broad River into their homes hasn't been an easy task. However, residents in this area tell us in the wake of mass destruction, their community has remained strong.
My neighbor Kendall, she was cooking community meals for everybody. Before there was any supply drops or anything, she was cooking her own food out of her fridge for everybody. She had a big sign community meal at 6, and anybody that came through she fed.
In Henderson County, Taylor Farmer, 7 News.